Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time here on this channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. Also give me a thumbs up after watching this video and leave your comment in the comment section. So I have a wig from Luvme Hair. This is a package the wig came in, a cute purple box, and it says affordable luxury wig. So let me just unbox this wig and show you guys everything that came with this wig. We have this comb in the box. They sent this comb here, and also there is this cute package. Wow. And they sent a pair of earrings. This is so cute. They sent this pair of earrings, and there's a pair of lashes, 3D lashes, 2-in-1 in a set. And there's this, also there's this card that contains tips on how to care for your wig and how to use your wig, and question and answer sections. Also they have their social media handles, how you can contact them. And lastly, we have the wig. This is the wig right here. So yeah guys, this is the wig. Is a 5x5 deep wave wig, and here's the construction of the wig cap. It has combs in it. It has an adjustable band. Also there's an adjustable strap that came with this wig, and you guys, this band, you can actually adjust it so how you want it to be, and this is so cool. You can actually adjust it to fit your head size, and with this band, kind of, you don't need to use glue with this band, but if you want to, you can use glue to wear it. And the lace net came bleached. It already came with this part in this center part here, so I'm just going to work with it like this. This lace is an invisible lace, like you guys can see how well it just blends to my skin. This is a good lace, guys. See how well this lace blends to my skin, like you cannot even detect it. So I'm just going to cut off this lace now and use my got2b glue on it.
Dream Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Alright guys, here is a final look of this installation. So this wig is beautiful guys. The quality of this wig, the texture of this wig, the lace of this wig is on point. Everything about this wig is on point guys. And as always, you guys know that I'm going to leave all details of this unit in the description box. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed already. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.